Binabalbalan ni Kuting at Liza's Mags, matapang na isiniwalat ng anak ni Senator Amy Marcos. Attorney Trixie, may say, mga netizens naglabas ng mga saloobin. Ani nila, kung talagang hindi gumagamit si BBM, bakit hindi ipakita sa mamamayan ang kanyang pagpapadrug test para mawala na ang issue na yan? Dapat magpa-drug test sa harap ng mamamayan kung talagang di siya gumagamit. Ganun lang, tapos. Mahal na Pangulo, sa pananaw namin parang ang asawa at pinsan ang sumisira sa iyo. Mabuti sana kung itemper mo ang mga maraming mali. Ano ginagawa nila? Kaya mo ba? That's the least you can do. BBM should answer. Magpa-drug test. If it is proven, then he must resign. Resign na Pres BBM. Kasi hindi mo kaya ang leadership position na yan. Give it to Sara. Ibalik si Sir Bantag nang tumino ng drug test sa ating bansa. Kawawa ang kabataan natin pag nagkalat ang drugs sa ating bansa. Maawa kayo sa mga farmers. Ang mahal lahat ng mga kailangan ng farmers. Luging-lugi na mga yan. Paano pa mabubuhay mga pamilya nila? Okay lang sana ang pag-vlog niya, pero wag niyo ugaliing ganyan. Yes po, kasi kung hindi talaga totoo na hindi gumagamit ng pulburon, dapat nag-react na si BBM at protektahan niya sarili niya para mahinto na ang issue ng pulburon-pulburon niya. Malapit na kayo dyan. Ingat lang ho. Tama ka nga, Attorney Trixie. Kung may apoy dapat buhusan ng tubig. Just the same, kung may issues going around, they should explain. Hindi deadma. Kaya mga taong bayan think it's true. Kaya lumalalim ang issue, just like the noy-noy. It's noy-noying. Hehe. Shame on Marcos. Oh my gosh, nakakahiya sa buong mundo. At heto naman ang buong detalye. By the way, this is Boses ng Masa at kung bago ka pa lamang sa aking channel, ay mag-subscribe ka na!
Kuting silence means he is guilty. Well, not necessarily, but it is evidence na he is not reacting in a regular way. Kasi kung ikaw ay, normally yan pag sinabi, ikaw, magnanakaw ka. Hoy, hindi ako magnanakaw. Yung reaction, yung spontaneous reactions are evidence of guilt or innocence. Sabi ni Adrian, inflation is down, shabu price is down. Good job sa government. Dokon to. Maling produkto ang nagmura, taong bayan ang nagmumura din. Sabi ni Jeff, pwede bang mag-demand ng hair follicle test sa president to know if he's negative sa mga illegal substances? Okay, this is my take on that. Take note that this is a take, so it's my opinion. For me, yes. But we have to phrase it correctly. Now, addiction is a health issue. It's not just a crime, it is also a health issue, diba? Now, if there is a strong indication that the president might be involved in this, then the health kasi of the president is national interest. At mayroong requirement of disclosure ito sa ating saligang batas. I have to do a separate live for this para makita natin yung mga requirements and exactly what should be disclosed to the people. But if we make it a health issue, then yes, it is possible to demand it. Now, what I'm saying here is, I'm not saying it is true or it is not true, but this is how we can ask for it. Sabi ni Dio, bakit sa admin ni FPRD ay grabe ang suporta ng majority ng Pinoy samantalang si President Marcos, ang mainstream media, ang sobrang suporta while majority of Pinoys ay galit? Maybe it's because of what people see. Parang hindi nakikita yung kind of governance dati where we were satisfied that even if hindi perfect, di ba? Even nasa-satisfy pa rin tayo na may nakikita tayong mga galawan na that was not evident in other administrations. Ito sabi ni B, CPN3 TV. Huwag niyo na i-rehash ang mga binasag na narrative ni FPRD. balikan nyo pa, si Digong na nagsabi. So, ano nga yung sinungaling Hindi! You didn't listen, ano? Ay, sorry. Okay. The president did not say with absolute certainty that a video exists or not. He also made a conjecture. Kasi ang sinasabi niya, wala yan. Kasi kung totoo yan, dapat nilabas na yan. So, what he's saying is that one, he doesn't know, and two, he's guessing as to why it's not coming out. Because how can he say with absolute certainty, hindi naman niya alam if the video even exists or not. Diba? That's amorphous. Nobody knows yet. Or at least the general public. Only those who have copies or a copy of that video, if it exists. So, no, you cannot make that conclusion, binasag na narrative. Did you listen to his words? This guy is a lawyer, so he had to be very careful with what he was saying. So, no, he did not say that doesn't exist. Alam kong hindi walang ganyan. He said, kasi kung may ganyan, dapat nilabas na. Which is why nagla-live tayo ngayon. Nagpresenta tayo ng teorya kung bakit hindi yan lumalabas aside from the fact that aside from the theory that it does not exist. Okay, so ang theory ni FPRD is it doesn't exist kasi kung sakali dapat lumabas na yan. Ang theory natin is whether or not it exists, hindi yan pwedeng ilabas kasi wala sa timing. Wala sa timing because kung inahabol natin ang possible succession or we need to protect the successor, it has to be done at a time when that successor, if having proven that the current occupant of the position is incapable of continuing in office, then the GMA formula can kick in. Okay? So, what you have isn't one sure answer and one theory. What you have are simply two theories. So, no, I don't. That would be an incorrect interpretation of what the president said. Sabi ni Reynaldo, daming naboto ni BBM dahil sa pangarap niya na hanggang ngayon walang natutupad. Marcos loyalists na lang ang naniniwala sa kanya. Uy, marami rin tumuwid ng Marcos loyalists. Ito, tama sabi ni CEO Hyun Soo. Sabi pa nga ni Presidente, di na bago yung mga gumagamit na talaga gumagamit na taga-gobyerno. Okay? So itong sino ba yung commenter kanina? Falsus in uno, falsus in todo. Or if you lie in one statement, then the rest of your statements are not credible. So you cannot pick and choose. So sinabi rin ni former President Duterte na may mga officials who use. Ngayon, are you saying that you believe one statement but you don't believe the other? So, at sinabi din po yan ni Maharlika. Naniniwala kayo doon sa ibang sinasabi ni Presidente Duterte, pero doon sa hindi kayo naniniwala sa dating yung sinasabi, pero ngayon naniniwala na kayo. Okay? So, don't mistake yung gigil ninyong makita yung video with there is no video. Di ba? Kaya yung nanggigigil meron dito inip na makita. Yung iba, ayaw talagang nilang maniwala na may video, so they're saying na wala yung video kasi hindi nilalabas. But there is a plausible explanation for that. What I'm saying is that it is a possible explanation because again, none of us know if that video exists. Sabi ni Jeff, what if hindi niya sasagutin yung COCA issue? Still considered po ba na betrayal of public trust? Ano ba? High crimes na yan. Diba? Why would you not participate in an exercise that can exonerate you? So, isa pa. Alam ko na may theory na umiikot dun sa kabila that the former president actually has a copy of the video. So his statement today negates that theory. Kumbaga, negates That's suspicion. Kumbaga, dinideny niya. O, may mga nagsasalitang ganon. O, di sige, sagutin ko ganito. Wala yan. Doesn't exist. Hanin says the reason this admin cannot address the issue is because they know it exists. And once it is proven over time, the people will lose 100% of their trust in the admin. Hence, the latter will have no chance of appealing itself to the people for consideration whatsoever. After all, who among sane Filipino citizens will renew their trust in an admin that blatantly lied? Bitin ko, hindi po makita yung buo. Sabi ni Tej, kumbaga, PRD is laying the premise na wala siyang kaugnayan kung meron o wala. Sabi ni Freddy Orendina, Jason saw the 15-minute video. Nagparinig kasi si Sir J. And if you interpret it a certain way, then it indicates that he had seen a video. By the way, guys, nobody says, while Maharlika makes reference to a video, I understand that there might not be just one. Okay? Daming nanonood. Sabi ni user, ako naniniwala kay Maharlika at SAS. User, hindi ko nakuha. Sabi ni Jack, alam nyo, PRD is a game master. I agree also. Sandali, ayusin ko lang to. Ayan, para mas madali makita yung ano. Sabi ni sabi ni PRD, mahina na siya, hindi na niya kaya sa 2025. Ano to, drama lang? Kunyari, ayaw? Kayo naman? Kailan ba siya nagkaroon ng, di ba, we all deserve the right to change our minds. Yun yung unang tanong sa akin, ng bakit ka mag-stay? Sabi ni Gear, yung mga pula na affected sa existence ng video, di wag kayong manood ng vlog nila. Ang dami yan. Kaya lang, I expected this. Kaya natatawa na lang ako. Because of course, they have no ready answer. So, for those who are against the idea of a video, I'm very worried. They have no answer. I bet you didn't see this coming. Sabi ni Stormy, ako naniniwala na series ang bulbulot video. Okay, sabi ni Pochi, do you think PRD is still in his right mind or signs of aging? I talked to him personally and no signs of aging. Ano nga lang, hindi lang siya masyadong makapagmotor. But very, very sharp and grabe yung memory. Sabi ni si Haya, if the video exists, is it enough reason for impeachment? Yes. But if Congress resists it and people are angry, then what you will have next is something like ERAP. Sabi ni Seo Kyunsu, kasalanan na naman ni PRD yan, ginulong lahat. Thank you kay Rolando Plaza. Oops, for your super sticker. Alam nyo, para dun sa mga nasa TikTok, sa lahat actually, dito sa mga live ko, hindi po, yung mga obvious calls, hindi namin pinapansin yan. But even if you don't agree with us, pero polite kayong magtatanong, sinasagot po namin. Para dun sa sanay sa akin, lalo na dun sa mga live ko, pag TikTok lang ang audience, they can, basta maayos yung pagtatanong, masasagot ko kayo. Pero kung nandito kayo just to hate, tandaan po ninyo, maaari naman po kayong mablock. Ito, si Ma'am Christine has a good take. Sabi niya, hindi uubra. He who accuses must prove we are not in court. And this speculation puts BBM's capacity to lead in question. Tumagot dapat agad na hindi ito totoo. Yep. Lalo-lalo na because it is destabilizing. Diba? Oo, tama kayo, Miss Christine. Kasi, kung wala naman din kasing evidence, this is simply talk. People believe that there are things going on that the admin might need to explain. Instead of addressing the issue, nagkakaroon ng takedowns. Merong mga trolls na nang-a-attack ng personalan and so on. And these trolls are very, very clearly in the payroll because they don't make a secret of it anymore. Di ba? Di nga nila dinideny na bayaran sila eh. So, ang punto dito is that the deadma, which is interpretable as fear or reluctance, the trolls that are on overdrive without very much logic, the actions that tend to suppress free speech, they're indicative that something is wrong. A normal reaction would be, what? No, that's not true. Diba? Because if it really isn't so, then nobody will ever be able to come up with evidence for that. Video or no video. Diba? And if somebody says, ay, paano kung doctor yung video? Dude, nadidetect na po yung mga yan. Sabi ni Xerxes, BBM should just heed Roque's advice, just do the drug test, submit urine and hair strand specimen, and publicize the results. It would certainly go a long way. Sabi ni Eduardo, deny for the meantime, then heighten the surprise later on at the proper time. It's like saying, hindi ako tatakbo, and then surprise, tumakbo. Okay. Yeah, sure. You can keep telling yourself that. Did you listen to the video? Did you listen carefully? It was speculation. And what you're saying is that FPRD said to the effect that there is no video. To the effect, really? He was saying, he was speculating. He was basing it on the fact that it had not come out. Now, we provided a plausible explanation as to why it isn't coming out, which negates now, or possibly negates, or increases the number of theories that are out there, indicating that this is just another one of those speculations. Okay? He said he's also satisfied with the government and corruption, etc. Did you see it? Yes, of course. But this guy, I wouldn't trust him not to change his mind either. Or there's also another reason. Para sa akin, sure. For me, this is indicative that you're giving a lot of weight to what President Duterte is saying, ha? And sure, I give it a lot of weight. But I have my own opinion on that. Kasi we report all of we report this, and every day there's something new. Diba? What about sa the president was talking about corruption. But me, what about incompetence? Because you can impeach for incompetence as well. Because you know what incompetence is? If your government officials are failures, that's still corruption. Because the people are not getting their value for money. In your personal view, would you like the video to show now? No. Even if there's no gulo, even if there's no speculative succession happening, I don't want it to come out now because I like seeing people running scared. Okay. That's interesting. Sana, attorney, sabi ni Jay, pag public official at may controversial na ganyan na issue, regardless, videos man yan o wiretap, matik sana na walang immunity with regard coming from fruit of a poisonous tree. Hindi po kasi immunity yan eh. It's a rule of evidence. Kasi if we allow evidence that's illegally obtained, then we are, we're tolerating crimes. Lalo-lalo na yung mga violation of privacy. Sabi ni Ma'am Susan Marcelo, nakakabingi kasi ang katahimikan ng palasyo. Dapat kung may mga malicious na comments about government or the president for that matter, dapat maagap sila na sagutin para wala nang duda ang mga tao. Akala ko ba magagaling ang mga tao na iuupo nila sa communications team niya, pero parang mahina o walang experience ang mga nakapalibot sa kanya. Ang ano ko nga, Ma'am Susan, is wala dapat. Maagap sila sagutin. Walang, it doesn't even have to be malicious. But here's my experience. Normally, pagka may ganitong mga issues na lumalabas, something controversial, ang nangyayari is the media will ask. Kasi sa press briefing, magtatanong talaga ang media. So, in this case, walang briefing man lang. So, there is very little information coming out. Ang masakit niyan is, nagre-rely yata sila dun sa kanilang mga trolls who don't disseminate information, but instead, just try to take down or ruin the reputations and credibility of those who speak the truth or facts or whatever, or alternatives to their narrative. May magagawa pa ba daw para dun sa pagpipirma? Yes, we have to constantly and continuously report it, and let's see kung merong mag-file ng kaso sa Supreme Court. Okay? Pwede po kasing kasuhan yan kasi dapat people's initiative yan. Pero kung government sponsored, kung may pera nang galing dun sa, let's say, some government official, hindi na po yan people's initiative. What if the video ay ilalabas from China or Russia? May magagawa ba ang gobyerno para mahabol ang pagpapalabas? Wala nga territoriality, Pero ang tingin ko dyan is, what is the value? Kasi may video, pero wala naman. If it goes to court or if it goes to an impeachment trial, sino magte-testify to that? Natatawa ako dun sa mga tao na galit kay Duterte, pinipilit nila na tama si Duterte dun sa sinasabi niya. Guys, make up your mind. Huwag niyo akong sigawan, Henry, ha? Ano masasabi mo? Sabi niya ganon. Tigil-tigilan niyo nga ako sa mga, napanood niyo ba ito? Ano masasabi mo? Galit na galit, Henry? Bakit? Why? And why are you compelling me to answer? Diyos kong mahabagin. Paano kung sabihin ko sa'yo, hindi ko napanood yung video, o di tablado na. Ay nako guys, seriously. Wala lang kayong masagot dito, ililihis ninyo. Ang issue is whether or not, well, not really an issue. We're just discussing about this alleged video, di ba? Cherry ba yan? Sabi ni Christine, ay nako. Yun. Cherry picking to the max yung ginagamit si PRD, binabastos siya most of the time, tapos if he says something they agree with, push us to believe it. Kaloka kayo. At least kami, hindi kami yung super duper na idol ng kung sino-sino. Kasi kahit si Pangulong Duterte, kino-call out namin nung presidente siya. At kahit si Pangulong Duterte, pag may sinabi siya na ayaw namin, ay makakaano din siya. Kahit kami, sasabihin namin, no. Sabi ni Ian, kamusta ang katahimikan at mga kuliglig ng PCO? Grabe, ang harsh. Anong sinabi? The United States of America pays for your police forces, pays for your Army and Navy. Does it? Of course not. Oh my goodness, Daniel Lu. What did the US pay? They're not paying for any police forces. They're not paying us for anything. Your military has access to our bases. They get to build their own structures, and those structures, they pretend that it's going to go to us. But like what happened with Clark and Subic, some of the stuff that you left, aside from nuclear waste, were buildings that were in disrepair. Tigilan ako. And you know what? They didn't even give us favored nation status in our exports. He told us when we were negotiating for access to military bases that that's off the table. And that came right out of the mouth of your secretary. Sabi ni Roland, paano makasign ng manifesto? I think it has gotten off. Natanggal na po siya sa change.org. So, if ever we're going to have to circulate a hard copy